Now before I start this video, I bought this sweatshirt because it looks nice, not because of the Illuminati. What up guys, it's your boy Shaki, S-U-S here, and on the month of February, we like to celebrate Black History Month. And that got me thinking a bit. Most of the people that we look at for Black History Month, such as Martin Luther King, Barack Obama, these people are all leaders. And that got me thinking, do people really know how to be leaders? And so I searched online to look at some articles that people posted on how to be a leader. And let me tell you, a lot of them were pretty wrong. Now, to be a great leader, I believe that there are only 5 main important points for any field or industry that you work in. Now, a leader doesn't necessarily have to be in the business field. You can be a leader anywhere at any time. So let's get started. Now, the first point is to be known. Now, this is the most easiest point out of the 5 points that I'm going to be telling you. Now, to be known, it's really simple. You just need to approach people, look at them, eye to eye, or even say hi, how are you, or small things like that, and it makes a huge impact. Oh, hey man, what's up? Oh, hey. Now I know that doesn't seem much, but if you do continue this step repetitively, you will see a little change. Now this brings me into my second point, and that is to communicate. Now if you do show simple gestures like saying hi and how are you, it's going to lead you into conversations eventually, and this is where communication is very important. Now when it comes to communication, really you can talk about anything you want, but more importantly, it's important that you know about the person you're talking to, about his or her life, and also it's important that you share about your experiences and whatever you've been through as well. Now this is one of the key aspects of being a leader, to simply make friends. Now the business world calls this making contacts and people, but they don't call them friends. And I feel that to be a great leader, you should have friends rather than acquaintances. Now the third point is to have a good reputation. Now if you want to be a leader, to help others, and to do whatever you want, it's important to have a good reputation. Now it's important not to just be a leader in your workplace, but also in your community area. Now you don't want people to see you on the streets as a completely different person than they thought you were. At work, hey, how are you? How have you been feeling these days? Are you feeling a bit better now? That's great. Around the community, this is an outrage! I don't know why I have to pay $3.75 to get on the bus. Leave a like below if you know where that was from. Alright, so the fourth point is to educate. Now, you know people, you have connections, you got friends, and you know about their life. But now, it's time to be a great leader. Those first 3 steps are the basic skills of being a leader. Now, to educate someone, it's a challenge. Now, by educate, I don't mean about teaching your profession to them, not teaching them physics, biology, or chemistry, but I'm talking about educating them on how to be a leader and how they can achieve their goals and their ambitions. And that is what one of the main aspects of a great leader is. Now, people have different ambitions and different goals. Now, when someone struggles with their ambition or goals, a lot of people would not help them reach that goal because they don't really care about it, because it doesn't affect their life. But to be a great leader, it's important to take into consideration of the people around you and how they feel. And if they're struggling, well, it's important that we help them out as much as we can. Now, I'm not saying to do all the work by yourself and achieve the goal that they wanted to by yourself, but to be a great leader, it's important that you guide them on the right pathway and help them out. Alright, my 5th and final point is simple but hard at the same time, and that is to learn more. Now you may be a great leader, or you may think that you're a great leader. I think that I'm a good leader myself. I educate people, I communicate with people, but there's so many more things to learn about being a leader because it's literally endless. People make new techniques and skills every day, and the more you learn, the better it is for yourself. And from there, you can be a better leader. Now, there's one question that might come up on your head. How can I learn more about being a leader? I already told you guys that searching things up online isn't the best way because a lot of those things aren't so great. Well, other ways to help you in being a better leader is actually going to seminars and taking courses on being a leader itself. It's very important to take it because it can help you in mostly any industries that you can think of. Now, I've taken many leadership seminars and I've been learning new things all the time. Some of the things may be similar, but remember, it's important to take into consideration that you're learning more, to gain more, to teach more, and to be a better leader. Well, those are the 5 top things on how to be a great leader. Now, before I sign off, I thought of this one quote. Anybody can be a leader, but a great leader helps everybody. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment down below. And as always, this is Shaki SUS signing off.